DRJ Fall 2021. Rebuilding in a time of resiliency will be the most comprehensive business continuity event this year. The only event offering more than 84 sessions and workshops, and more than 85 expert speakers on managing risk and resiliency. DRJ Fall 2021 will cover the most important topics our industry is facing. Our virtual conference platform provides you with the ability to network with attendees, speakers, and exhibitors with easy-to-use live chat and meeting tools, all from the convenience of remote access, which means no travel costs. There's also the opportunity to win more than 30 technology prizes with your active participation. Best of all, if you've missed a session or want to revisit a topic, you have on-demand access to sessions for 6 months after the conference and the ability to earn over 80 CEUs. Here is what past attendees are saying about DRJ virtual conferences.
I found this event to be extremely informational. All sessions I attended were very insightful. Great group of presenters, really enjoyed the town halls, both what was being discussed and what was being chatted.
This was the best DRJ conference I've attended. I've attended 6.
I found it to be a wealth of useful information. I learned so many things I did not know. Thank you all. You did a great job.
This was the best virtual event of 2020. It was well structured and organized, and each session was appealing. There were a variety of topics to select from with the ability to watch additional ones at our leisure. I like that there were several DR-related sessions as the roles in the BC arena continue to expand. Building one's DR skill set is essential to remain competitive.
With 1,000 attendees, 10,000 public conversations, nearly 5,000 private messages sent, and hundreds of private meetings, can you afford not to be a part of the knowledge sharing and discussion? Join your peers who are facing and solving many of the same challenges as you at DRJ Fall 2021, rebuilding in a time of resiliency.